Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on Unacademy CAT-alyst. So once again, Quant 100 important short tricks by Dipanshu Garg. It's me and this is trick 3. So first of all, some important announcement. Iconic CAT 2021 and these are the benefits of Iconic. Personal mentor, test analysis, OMET's preparation and all benefits of Plus included in the Iconic CAT 2021. And the get mentored by the graduates from top B school IIM ABC, right? Now Unacademy learners crack CAT 2020 with flying colors. These are the learners who score more than 99 percentile in CAT 2020. And now these are the benefits of Unacademy Plus: top educators, structure course and doubt clearing sessions, right? India's top educators, around 60 plus teachers on platform, right? And you can learn any of the teacher, right? Take subscription and one subscription and unlimited access, right? You can do preparation for CAT, JET, CMAT, NMAT, for any exam just by a single subscription, right? Now, and the plans are for 1 year this is 17,500, for 2 years this is 21,000, 17,500 for 12 months after applying this code GERD Live. ठीक है, just apply this referral code for 10% discount. You will get it in 15,750, and for 24 months this is 21,000, and after applying code this is 18,900. Okay, now this is trick 3. In this trick I will explain you how to solve this type of questions in seconds, right? What is given here ki average of 9 numbers is 73. Average of 9 numbers is 73. Average of first 8 numbers is 74. Average of first 8 numbers is 74. Then find out ninth number. Okay. Now, how to solve this question? I know one thing. The average of 9 numbers is 73. Average of 8 numbers is 74. So what is the ninth number? How to find? Just the basic approach is ninth number will be the sum of first 9 numbers, the sum of 9 number, all 9 numbers, 9 into 73, and subtract first 8 numbers. Sum of first 8 numbers is 8 into 74. So subtract 9 into 73 minus 8 into 74. You will get the ninth number. Right? This is the basic approach. But if you want to solve this question with my trick, how to solve, right? Let ki there are 9 students and there are 73 chocolates for each student. 73 chocolates for each student, right? So first 8 students take 74 chocolates. Every student taking one extra chocolate, right? So how many students taking extra chocolates? 8. So the number of extra chocolates taken by them, 1 into 8, 8. Now the ninth number will have, there are nine numbers and the average is 73. So ninth number also have 73, but these 8 student has taken 8 extra chocolates from the account of this student, right? So this one have 73 minus 8, 65. Clear to everyone? Just like कि भाई 9 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उन सब के लिए 73 चॉकलेट्स हैं. अभी फर्स्ट 8 स्टूडेंट आते हैं, उन सब ने 74 लिया, तो एक स्टूडेंट कितना एक्स्ट्रा लेके जा रहा है? 1. सो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट? 8. तो कितना एक्स्ट्रा लेके गए भाई? 8. इनको एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से मिलेगा? नाइन्थ वाले नंबर के पास से. नाइन्थ वाले नंबर को मिलना चाहिए था 73, बट इन लोगों ने 8 एक्स्ट्रा ले लिया, तो उसके पास कितना बचा? ओनली 65. सो द नाइन्थ नंबर इज व्हाट? 65. दैट्स अ सिंपल मेथड टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Now the next one. Find numbers have 5 numbers have average of 65. 5 numbers have an average of 65, right? The average of first 2 numbers is 59. The average of first 2 numbers is 59, and that of last 2 numbers, and that of this is first 2, last 2 is 63. So find the third one. Find the third one. Now, how to solve? How to solve this question? I know one thing. If you want to find third number, so how to find third number? Just a simple method. कि भाई third number is what? Uh, there are total five numbers, and the sum of these five numbers is 5 into 62. Now subtract first two numbers, 2 into 59, and also subtract last two numbers, 2 into 62. So you will get third number, right? Now, if you want to find a third number by this trick, right? How to find? Just let कि there are five children, and the each chocolates for each children is 62. भाई फाइव चिल्ड्रन है, सबके लिए 62 चॉकलेट्स है. नाउ फर्स्ट टू चिल्ड्रंस आते हैं, उन्होंने 59 चॉकलेट्स लिया. कितना कम चॉकलेट लेके गए? उनके लिए 62 था, बट वो 59 लेके जाते हैं. कितना कम लेके गए भाई? 3. ठीक है, ये 3 चॉकलेट्स कितने स्टूडेंट? 2. देखो इस थर्ड वाले को भी 62 मिलना था, बट ये दो स्टूडेंट ना इसके लिए कितना चॉकलेट छोड़ के जा रहे हैं? एक स्टूडेंट 3 छोड़ रहा है, तो दो स्टूडेंट 3 into 2 6 चॉकलेट्स इस बंदे के लिए छोड़ के जाते हैं, राइट? एंड लास्ट टू टेकन 63, सॉरी दिस इज 63. ओके, लास्ट टू ने कितना लिया है? 63 लिया है. 1 सेकेंड. लास्ट टू टेकिंग 63, राइट? नाउ लास्ट टू कितना ले रहे हैं? 63. कितना एक्स्ट्रा लिया भाई? 1 एक्स्ट्रा लिया. कितने लोगों ने? 2 लोगों ने. सो ये 2 एक्स्ट्रा लेके गए, मतलब कि इसके अकाउंट से गया है, तो इसके पास कितना बचेगा? 62 plus 6, 68 minus 2, this is 66. So the third number has 66. This is the basic approach and the fastest way to solve this type of question without any tricky मतलब complicated multiplication, right? अब अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करने लगो, इसमें इतना मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 2 into 59 करो, 2 into 63 करो, 5 into 62 करो, देन इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. भाई ये सिंपल दिख रहा है ना? 3, इसके पास 3 एक्स्ट्रा है. कितने स्टूडेंट? 2. तो इनके पास 6 गया. इन लोगों ने 1 एक्स्ट्रा लिया. कितने लोगों ने? 2 लोगों ने. 2 एक्स्ट्रा इनके पास गया, तो इनका कम कर दो, इनका ऐड कर दो. यू विल गेट द आंसर. बस सिंपल. नाउ क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ वन मोर. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन हियर कि द एवरेज ऑफ 13 नंबर्स इज 20. Okay, the average of 13 numbers is 20. If the average of first 6 numbers, average of first 6 is 18, and the last 6 is first 6, and last 6 is 21. So the seventh number will be, how to find? There are 30 numbers, first 6 and last 6. The middle one is seventh number, right? So these seventh number will have 20, but these 6 student taking 18 in place of 20. कितना एक्स्ट्रा लेके जा रहे हैं? कम लेके जा रहे हैं भाई. 2. कितने लोग? 6. तो ये कितना कम लेके गए? 12. तो इसके पास 12 ये एड ऑन छोड़ के गए, ठीक है. नाउ ये 21 लेके जा रहे हैं, 1 एक्स्ट्रा लेके जा रहे हैं. कितने लोग? 6. तो ये कितना एक्स्ट्रा लेके चले गए भाई? 6. तो इसके पास 6 कम हो जाएगा, तो इसके पास कितना बचेगा? 20 plus 12, 32 minus 6, this is 26. So the answer is what? 26. Now done. Now the homework time, assignment of the day, and the homework question is everyone try to solve, and this question is of CAT 2019. Everyone try to solve this question. Okay, now everyone subscribe to this channel. Okay, and stay tuned, stay notified for the best amazing content on the MBA world, right? So thank you everyone, and okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye.